Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get my memo on Bitget. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, first head over and then open your Bitget application. And then once you have opened it, next thing you need to do is to just head over and click on this Assets option or Wallet option. Once you have done that, it will show you your wallet. So just head over and choosing here your wallet. And once you've checked on your wallet, just head over and then you should be able to see in there a memo option. So on this memo option, it will show you the memo for your deposit as well as your withdrawal. So for this one, you should be able to copy the tag, copy your address, or show QR code for this too right here. So this will serve as your memo that you can actually send, transfer, or receive to this memo. So that's basically how you can get my memo on Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.